Hello guys, welcome to my channel. During my vacation in July, I brought my Mini 2 with me and I did some drone footage that I want to share with you. First of all, I want to show you the location. I was of course in Canada. You can look at the map here, and on the right side you have the province of Quebec, close to the Atlantic Ocean. So on the second map here you see my exact location, the big dot. I was about 150 kilometers east of Quebec City, or 100 miles east of Quebec City, where the St. Lawrence River is 20 kilometers wide. And you will see that in the video. It is a huge river at that location. So I did there was a nice sunset one of the evenings I was there. So this first video is about the sunset. One note also that I want to mention, I do my videos with my Mini 2 at 2.7K 60 frames per second, and that's the reason, 60. You can do 4K, but 4K is at 30 frames per second, and personally, for drone footage, I prefer 60 frames per second. It gives you a smoother frame rate or movement, especially when the drone is rotating like that, doing like a pan of the horizon. One word before I show my video: don't miss my video on the case, the Nanook. I think this is the best case for the Mini 2, and I did a thorough review of this case on my channel. So I hope guys you appreciate the little sunset, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.